What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me go ahead and show you what sounds comes with a new update of 2020-48-26, and also I want to show you all custom sounds that I downloaded into my external drive, and I put a link in the description and you can see how I did it exactly with all steps, how you can add an extra folder and format your external drive and use for your dashcam and a boombox. Let me show you what I have, what sounds my Tesla make. So the coconut, all right, just repeat it. Then this one here, rainforest. Rock and roll. Harp. Ice cream. This is a Christmas song. Caribbean. And now the interesting part. You see all of this USB 1 2 3 4 5. That's all custom sound. What I downloaded into this external drive. So let's hear them. Pretty cool, right? Now your Tesla can make car sound. So let's hear this one. This is a Lamborghini sound.